Yes, Emrana son. Was it Ubati Awoswo? Shake your waist. Awoswo Jumedia. Ye free naka cray. Achinchiri akwamia mea. Ayi ma omu ofe. Omu wakono. Omu ucha. No mutimidu omusisi edi asa. Awoswo mani ye fe. Emrana so say kwa yi omu mea nyina. Ye do omu nyina be shiemu ewo Kumasi. Ye be sha who is who. Sabre wena. Onso betimi avotu. Na odi ama favorite contestant. Why ene bedi kunim? Why aye Kumawood TV. Ede ebre wo live. Awoswo Jumadie. Ya kwa asan babio. Na this week Awoswo eye bobobo. Osi bobobo. Boswe eye bobobo twerk. Yenya no ma ya omu ho fei. Omu de omu sisi no ebe sa bobobo. Wonu odofo nyina nhia ye wo ho. Ne ye mehwe bobobo twerking. Miminde wei ane miminde bia. Ewo Awospap ahojo Atenga Junction. Kumasi baby a Kumawood TV wono. Anumre no nsia pepepe na red carpet na hyase. No so na audience nyina atenase 8 p.m. na nwotwe pepepe. E de dwumade na ahyehye so. Eye free. Anoti wonu abusuafo nyina Momra na mama support my favorite contestant. But what they say about voting for Google Play Store. Download Kumawood Multimedia. And I say but Awoswo keke. Na follow instructions no. Na vote to my favorite contestant. Wey aya Wobati Awoswo. Was it Shake Your Waist sponsored by Wobati a Gombia capsule supported by Sam Dakus Initiative, Immense Creation and a PSCA collection. Was it Wobati Awoswo Shake Your Waist. Ebeye butu.
Are you ready?
Pound it up, pound it up, pound it up. Pound it up, pound it up, pound it up, pound it, pound it, pound it, pound it.
Yes, Emrana son. Was it Ubati Awoswo? Shake your waist. Awoswo Jumedia. Ye free naka cray. Achinchiri akwamia mea. Ayi ma omu